All right. So next up is one of my two 1999 Hampton Bay Graytons. Um, I got both of these at a Habitat for Humanity restore. Um, both of these, both of them are from April of 1999, and and what I forgot to mention in my original video of this one is that I actually got the other 1999 Grayton like a month after I got this one, because when we originally when I first saw this and saw that there were two of these, I thought, I don't think I really need I don't think I really need the other one. And then a month later, I ended up getting the other one. Um, yeah. Um, so another thing is that when I originally got this fan, it had the oak side facing down, and I stripped the screws that hold the I stripped uh, the, the the blade arm screws that hold the hold the blades. Um, so yeah. Um. Anyway, before I turn this on, I want to give you a closer look at it. All right, now to demonstrate it. Here's the light. And here's the fan. Let's start off with low. Um, One thing that I actually like about these fans is that they're bottom mount spinners, because as you can see, the the motor kind of it doesn't have a motor housing, so yeah, I think I honestly think that looks pretty cool. And it appears to hum a little bit, but it's barely noticeable. Okay, here's medium. Now it sounds like it's vibrating a little bit. Okay, now for high. It does push off some air, but I I probably wouldn't I probably wouldn't put this in my house, like in my own house, if I uh, move out. And yeah, I think you get the point. Alright, now to turn it off. Okay, there you have it. That is one of my two 1999 Hampton made Graytons, and I hope you enjoyed this video.